From this video, you will learn the three different directives, JSP directives, which provide the structure for a JSP page. That's the responsibility of the directives. The first directive is the page directive, which has 13 attributes. The syntax for any directive is less than symbol, percentage yet, and it ends with a percentage greater than symbol. You would have seen this with a lot of JSP elements already. They all start with less than symbol, percentage, but we have an additional yet in case of the directives. The page directive has 13 attributes, out of which import is one of the important ones which we use the most to import Java classes into a JSP page. I will be discussing about the other attributes as I cover various other JSP topics, the important ones, not all of them. Some of them are outdated and some of them we don't even use out of those 13. That's the first JSP directive. Then we have the include directive, which allows us to statically include another JSP page or a HTML page into the current JSP. It is statically because it happens during the compilation time, and if there are any changes that happen to the second JSP, they will not be reflected at runtime when the user tries to access the particular JSP page without dynamically refreshing it. So there is another include which is called dynamic include, which is an action, which is a JSP action that happens at runtime, and that's the one which is most used, although it's a little expensive. And the syntax for it is less than symbol, percentage yet, include, and you provide the file name with the file attribute of this particular directive. Then the last one is the taglib, which is a powerful directive that allows us to use JSTL, the Java standard tag library tags, or custom tags developed by a third party, or even custom tags developed by us. Again, the same less than symbol, percentage yet. Taglib is the directive name. Then prefix for the URI. So you have a prefix that you will be using below in your JSP page to refer to a particular tag from the tag library, and the URI uniquely identifies that particular tag library. When I talk about JSTL or when we develop a custom tag, you will see the taglib directive being used in our JSP page. So to quickly summarize, we have three directives. Page allows you to do import, define error pages, etc. with the 13 attributes it has. Include is a static include which happens at compilation time. It allows you to include another JSP or HTML into the current JSP page. Then we have the taglib, which allows you to use custom tag libraries or even JSTL tags.